Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on customizing the tap to wake setting on Oppo smartwatches. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Then tap the settings cog to open the settings. Tap Screen Display. Select Tap to Wake. Here you can choose between single tap to wake and double tap to wake. Simply tap to select the option that you would like to use. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Oppo Watch tips and tricks.